If you forgot your Galaxy Watch 7's pin or pattern, here is one quick fix to remove the lock and recover access to your watch without losing any data. So first of all, what you need to do is just press and hold this power and the back button together. Keep holding it down, doesn't matter, wherever on your screen. When the Samsung logo comes on your screen, release the buttons and quickly press twice on the power button. It'll go straight into service mode. Press on your power button to go down to recovery and then long press on the option to select it. Just wait patiently when it shows the Samsung logo and in a few moments, it'll enter into recovery mode. Now, once you're in recovery mode, use your back button to go down to wipe data/factory reset. Select it by long pressing on your power button. And then just go down to factory data reset. Before you select, please make sure if you were logged into your Gmail account, you'll need to enter the Gmail credentials to remove the activation lock. Otherwise, you won't be able to reset up your watch. If you're okay with that, just go ahead and select factory data reset. After the reset, you'll end up in the recovery dashboard. Just select reboot system now. Your watch will restart into setup mode. Just go ahead, follow the prompts one after another, and start setting up your watch. And when prompted, since you do not know the pin or pattern on your watch, choose Google account. Verify yourself and just go ahead, complete the setup process. When you're all set up, from inside the wearable app, you'll see a restore option. And from here, it can restore all the previous data back to your watch once again. And that's it for this today. Thanks for watching.